Hi, this is David at Highland Campervans, and this is a quick tutorial video on how to connect an Android device to the Swift Uconnect system found in the latest Fiat Ducato vans. So, with ignition on, we have our various different screen options just here, and a quick overview menu. And what we need to do is we need to go to the phone symbol, which is the third one down. Click like this. So, at the moment it's saying there is no paired devices, so we'll need to add a device. And then it's now asking us to find the Bluetooth on our phone. So we need to get our phone and we need to go to our setting menu in order to find the Bluetooth options. That could be either scroll down or into your menu option. Find your settings. And then you need, on Android devices, you need to look for connections. Click on connections, look for your Bluetooth, and then make sure you then turn the Bluetooth on. While in this screen on your mobile, your device will now be discoverable. And what will happen is you'll have a list of scans. While that's doing, we're going to tap search for Bluetooth device, and we're going to have the device here search for the phone. And there's my mobile there, my Galaxy mobile. We're going to tap this to select this device to pair. It's going to now communicate with the two devices. So here we go, we've got a request to pair. We click pair, and then yes on the device. And now the two devices are now communicating to each other. This may take a moment or two, just while the devices are fine. So you can actually see on my mobile here, it's now connecting by itself. So it's connected successfully. Now what can happen, there we go, is you'll now get a couple of extra menus appear on your mobile. So it's asking me, do I want my messages to be displayed? So yes. And then we then have, would you like to enable Android Auto on this device? If you don't have Android Auto already installed on your phone, then you can find it in the Google Play Store under Android Auto. So in this case here, we're going to click yes, because we want to use Android Auto. It's now asking, do I want to connect my phone book? So we're going to click allow. And that now is Android Auto live on the screen. And this now allows me to use Google Maps. I can access my music, and then I can access my secondary apps through the little bit in the corner here. So from like some of my messages, music, things like that, as it were, like so. And there we go. I hope you find that useful. If you have any questions, then please do contact the sales team at Highland Campervans. Thank you for watching.